Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. And in this video I'm going to use this type of brush. If you haven't cleaned tools, you can use also a toothbrush. Then I'm going to use ear stick and isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. And at the bottom, on each earbud, we have these silver lines. This one is charging contacts, and I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts. And then I'm going to clean it with a brush. Now let's move to the right one. Also, I will apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts in the charging case. So right here inside the case we have it. And I'm going to use my ear stick. Now let's clean the grill. So you need to remove ear tip from your earbuds. Right here we have the grill, and slightly clean it. Let's apply ear tip, and for the right one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.